Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the X-Deep sliding D-ring. So these come as a pair, and these are a sort of an alternative to a traditional D-ring with a tri-glider that kind of locks it in position. This one does lock it in position, but you can actually move them and slide them up or down a webbing strap so they're positioned exactly where you need them to be at different times during the dive. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a very nondescript cardboard box. X-Deep on the front and the sides. Lots of metal stuff on the inside. Inside here, two relatively low profile D-rings. They're a little bit sort of shorter than most, but this is like 5, maybe 6 mil stainless steel, so nice and tough. Two of those. You also get two of these, which is going to be the sliding section. So they're square, and you have this kind of sort of crisscross effect on these two bars, or in this bar that moves backwards and forwards, and that's what's going to turn this into a sliding D-ring. So let's look at how to fit it onto a 2-inch webbing strap. Right, so I've got a section of 2-inch webbing and yeah, two of these sliding D-rings. So no instructions, but I can't imagine you can go too far wrong with these. So I'm going to slide it up and then thread a D-ring just as I normally would, and then thread that back down through there. I might give myself a bit more room just to show you how the sliding effect works. Okay, so there it is fitted. A little bit more bulky than a normal sort of tri-glider with a D-ring, and you do have these sort of sections kind of sticking out a little bit, but hey ho. D-ring naturally sort of sits away from the webbing, so to clip off onto it pretty easy. And then as far as weight that you can put on it, quite a lot of weight in that direction at least, and in that direction. You can see it is starting to go, but I am straining to move it. It will move. Let's see if I can do that with outstretched arms. Not easily. So it does slide, but you do need to give it a good tug, at least in that direction. In the other direction, yeah, it will move. So yeah, technically sliding D-ring, you do have to give it some to move it. Maybe there is some technique that I'm not doing, but yeah, empty cardboard box hasn't given me any sort of instructions. But yeah, it gives a fixed point, but you can slide it if you do need to. So this is more for sort of stage cylinders that change buoyancy during the dive. You need to move the D-ring. But yeah, nice and tough. Definitely does the job. You could very securely clip something off onto it, but you can move it if you need to in the water. Okay, so that's the X-Deep sliding D-ring. So they come as a pair, which is quite nice. If you want them for shoulder straps or whatever, you can pair them up. And if you have multiple harnesses, you can put one on each wherever you want it to be. So yeah, very good for having a very prominent D-ring that sticks out, something that's very easy. So that'll be nice on your hip to find your gauges, or yeah, to clip off a stage cylinder. They do fix in position, so you can clip off pretty heavy stuff onto it. But if you want to move it, yeah, you're really going to have to give it some welly to really move that around that shoulder strap. Unless there is some special technique, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, very tough, and they look quite comfortable as well, compared to some other sliding D-ring designs that if you're only wearing a rash vest, they can dig in. This one seems more like a traditional tri-glider design, so definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below that will take you straight to these. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.